So guys, this is the market now. I could not enter with my camera because I don't know whether people are allowed to film. Say hi.
Hi.
We are coming there. We are coming
Okay.
there. So, hi. What? Thank you. Thank you. So guys.
So this is Nairobi, Masai Market in specific, and the handsome boy around, the only handsome boy in the world.
Oh my God.
Mark my words.
The handsome. Are you single? Are you looking for someone? Maybe someone is watching.
I have many, but still single.
Oh my God. Guys.
So I'll start with you first. Are you going to be my girl?
Me, no.
You don't have a ring? I'm not seeing a ring. Maybe I put mine. Let me see the.
But you said you have many girls.
Many, but I won't mind to add you on top.
Okay. So that the winner will be announced soon.
You'll be cutting the relationship on it.
Okay, sawa. Thank you so much. I'm Claudia Works on YouTube.
On YouTube?
Yes.
Nice.
Thank you. So guys.
And the Brooks handsome boy in Nairobi.
Huh?
And the Brooks handsome boy, the only handsome boy in
The
Nairobi.
only answer. You have a YouTube channel?
Specific in Kenya, in the world,
Okay.
not only in Kenya.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. People are gonna follow you if you are on social media.
I actually have a phone number. Maybe they follow on my WhatsApp.
It's okay, guys. Then you can see we have some jewelry of their bags made of leather and some other stuff. Actually, I'm doing this out of the market. You can see because of security zone, guys. Look at that Jamaican stuffs over there. So I got what I wanted. Someone sent me to pick several stuffs, and I had to do that. You know what? It's like one of my biggest fans requested me to pick something from the market and send it to him or her. Do I have to say him or her? Anyway, guys, hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. Take me to 10,000 subscribers anytime, any day. You can't get bored with Claudia Work. So, other guys, we are still walking in Nairobi streets, beautiful streets of Nairobi. Now I'm going to get a mat to go home. So walk with me as we head home. And bear in mind that Nairobi we have beautiful girls. Look at that. Means of transport here in Kenya, matatus, and we love them. They are just wow. Yes, Nairobi is beautiful. Nairobi is clean. Actually, Nairobi is one of the cleanest cities here in Africa, Kenya. We also have electric buses, like the one which is coming. It's an electric bus, guys. We are advancing. We are getting there, and we are happy for that. Hi, and we are happy for that, guys. You can see some youths here working, doing their own thing. Yeah, let's explore. Remember, I was coming out of Masai Market. I picked my stuff, and then I'm here going home. Look at our beautiful mattresses here in Kenya. Oh my God. I have to hold my camera tight because of anyway. This is the Nairobi city, and anyone might snatch my camera. So beautiful girls. Have to be careful. The roads are too busy. Let's follow this route. Let's go this way. We get our matatu. Freedom here, freedom here. Let me use this because it's not that populated. I know I'm walking too fast, but you have to bear with me, guys.